I got him.
I told her not to let the dog sit there because he won't move, and she didn't believe me.
Your fat butt.
No, that thing is scrawny.
Yeah, pretty skinny.
It is. It's all bone.
Whoa. There's a little bit of muscle.
Okay, you're weird.
Okay, you go.
There's no way that dog is gonna move an inch. He's like, this is my
what?
territory now. That's my bed. Oh, he moved!
Alright. Watch him be like, okay, now I'm gonna move her. Watch him come and sit on me.
No, don't let him sit there again.
Let's move. Oh, yeah.
Nice.
What?
Smile for the camera. Don't look drunk.
Don't look at my boobs.
And don't pull up your shirt weird on camera. Shelby.
Ooh.
Oh, there's no way you can fall asleep because I'm not tired at all.
Dog!
Come on, Shelby, get up.
Dog again.
You have anything to say to the camera?
What?
You have anything to say to the camera? Okay, I swear to you, right before this, she wasn't anything like this. Get up.
Well, now I'm really tired of that dog.